In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a LIKERT scale in Qualtrics. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to add a new question wherever you want your LIKERT scale to be. So I'm going to add it over here, and you want to select this matrix table over here, which should be the fourth option. Whenever you do this, you can select the amount of statements. Of course, you can edit this later, so I'm just going to do 2 for now. And then the scale points over here, you can put them at whatever. I'm going to do 5 because I'm planning to create a 5-point LIKERT scale, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you want to go and name these. So I'm going to do this one strongly disagree. Okay, then the second one here is going to be disagree. Now, of course, you can do whichever variation you want. This is just kind of the basic 5-point LIKERT scale. This one is going to be neutral. Then this one is going to be agree. And then this one here is going to be strongly agree. Okay. There we go. Now, after you do this, of course, here you can write your statements. Up top, you can just give it a name. So, for example, please fill out this LIKERT scale or something like this. Oops. Of course, up to you, whatever you want to do here. And then here you have the statement. So, for example, this video helped me out, and I'm going to subscribe. Okay, so for example, these are the two statements, and as you can see here, I've added a LIKERT scale just like this. I have a 5-point LIKERT scale here with different statements. So if I go and kind of preview this, you'll be able to see that it's going to basically give me a LIKERT scale. There we go, here it is. You can go ahead and, of course, as somebody who's trying to complete this survey, you'll be able to basically check mark whichever one of these you want, and that's how it's going to look on the mobile device over here on the right. So that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.